I know the hustle of being fair skinned and at the same time not being able to find a very good body lotion that is good and affordable. Okay, because these days most of the good body lotions for fair skin are so pricey and expensive. A lot of fair skin people are feeling frustrated right now, especially people that are on budget. Okay, so today, this video is specifically for you who is fair skinned and feeling frustrated because they can't find a good body lotion that is within budget. That's why I'm here today to tell you about these Dove affordable fair skin body lotions that you can use and also get the same result most of those high-end body lotions will give you as a fair skinned person. Okay, and these ones are quite affordable, very affordable, and they still do the work. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the pictures and also attach their market prices right here. The number one on my list is Dove Body Milk Essential Nourishment Body Lotion. So this body lotion is one of Dove body lotions for fair skin people. This body lotion smoothens out the skin. It gives your skin this beautiful glow. It hydrates and moisturizes your skin as well. So what else are you looking for? This body lotion is suitable for all skin types. Okay, be it dry skin, be it medium to dry, be it oily skin, be it combination skin. Okay, this body lotion will be suitable for you. The manufacturers of this body lotion infused ceramides in it. Okay, it's formulated with ceramides, which means it will help bring back your skin back to life, especially if you have a very dull skin or you have a dry skin. This body lotion will help elevate your skin. It will help restore your skin and nourish your skin, thereby giving it the perfect glow your skin needs. The number two on my list is the Dove Body Love Care Plus Radiant Glow Body Lotion. This body lotion is also formulated with ceramides restoring serum. Okay, just like the previous one, just like the first one I just mentioned. Okay, that means this body lotion as well will rejuvenate your skin and also enhance your dull looking skin. In like it will nourish your skin and glow up your skin if you have a dull skin. So this body lotion right here um has a pinkish color. Okay, it has a pinkish color. It's not so thick in consistency, it's just good, the right amount of consistency for your skin. Okay, when you apply it on your skin, it sinks into your skin, it moisturizes your skin, it hydrates your skin as well, and at the same time it brightens and glow up your skin, guys. Yes, it's that good. And it's also for every skin type and complexion. So you guys, you can try it and tell me how good this particular one is. The number three on my list is the Dove Fairness Nourishment Body Lotion. Okay, guys, this body lotion is one of my favorites. Yes, like this is it. This is it, guys. This one, as the name implies, is for fairness. Okay, for fair people. It's not really that it will lighten you up though. This body lotion moisturizes, smoothens your skin, and also hydrates your skin. This body lotion is formulated to give your skin that glowing effect. Okay, it gives your skin a brightening effect and it nourishes your skin, making it look subtle, smooth, and nourished. Okay, that's the word, nourished. Like when you go out, you step out, your fair skin, you apply this lotion and you step outside. Whoever that sees your skin would definitely admire your skin when you pamper yourself with this particular body lotion for at least 2 to 3 months. Okay, non-stop, guys. You will tell the story, you will testify of how good this body lotion is. Did I mention that this body lotion brightens your skin? Okay, you use this body lotion, it will give you like 2 to 3 shades brighter, and it also evens out your skin tone. Yes, it evens out your skin. It gives you this unified um look, unified skin tone from your head to your toe. If you have a dull skin, it will help improve your dull skin, thereby giving you that radiant shine. The number 4 on my list is the Dove Body Invigorating Care Body Lotion. This is another body lotion that is formulated with soybean oil. Okay, it's also formulated with avocado oil and Calendula officinalis flower extract. Hope I got it right. Okay, this one right here will help glow your skin because of the ingredients that are in it. Okay, this one is formulated with very lovely oils that will help glow your skin. All right, and this one will also hydrate your skin. What your skin needs for skin glow is good oil and proper hydration, and this body lotion gives you that. Okay, with the ingredients in it, you will get a soft skin, you will get a smooth skin, you will also get a bright and even skinned tone. This body lotion is lightweight, not so light, but it's lightweight. It sinks into the skin. Okay, when you apply it on your skin, it doesn't really moisturize the skin, rather, it hydrates your skin. Okay, when you apply it. So, whenever you want to use this particular one, and you try as much as you can, maybe if you know you want extra moisture on your skin, you can infuse a body oil into your skincare routine so that you get more moisture on your skin. Okay, but if not, this one without a body oil can still hydrate your skin. All right, it's very good. It will glow your skin and also brighten up your skin, guys. So let's move over to the next one. The fifth body lotion I'm going to be talking about is Dove Glowing Care Body Lotion. This body lotion, as the name implies, is a glowing body lotion. It glows your skin and is one of the best Dove body lotions for a fair skin person. Okay, this one will brighten you up, it will glow your skin, it will also moisturize your skin. It does not dry out so fast. Okay, it moisturizes your skin and hydrates your skin, thereby leaving it smooth, soft and subtle. This body lotion has this amazing floral scent that I love so much, and it's also formulated with rice milk. Rice milk is very good when it's infused in any skincare product. Okay, it helps in skin brightening, skin lightening, skin rejuvenation, skin glowing, and skin moisturization. It can also work as an antioxidant protection on your skin. Try this lotion if you know you want to pamper your skin and get the maximum skin glow. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. You haven't liked this video, please do that right now. You haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.